My dear students of class 10, we are going to revise a topic that is balancing a chemical equation. So we are here to study about how to balance a chemical equation. So suppose we have been given one equation as this one. Suppose this is the question and we are asked to balance this chemical equation, that is, when hydrogen combines with oxygen it produces water, and the question is balance this chemical equation. So first of all we have to keep the data in boxes like this. Now nothing should be written inside the boxes. Second step. Third step, we have to see which quantity has maximum number of atoms. As for example, this hydrogen has 2 atoms, this oxygen has 2 atoms, but water has 2 plus 1, that is 3 atoms. So this quantity has maximum number of atoms in this chemical equation. That's why we should start with this one. Now this is the primary thing that we have to take into account. Now here hydrogen is 2, means the number of hydrogen atoms is 2 in product side, and number of hydrogen atom is 2 itself in reactant side, means hydrogen is balanced. Now oxygen is 1 in product side, but oxygen atoms is 2 in reactant side, so oxygen is not balanced. Now we should not write something inside the box. If we are going to write here 2, it means we are committing mistake. That's why we should not write here any number. We have to write 2 outside the box, so that the number of oxygen atoms will be 2 in the product side, and the number of oxygen atoms is itself 2 in the reactant side, means oxygen is balanced. But the number of hydrogen atoms has been changed. Previously it was 2 atoms of hydrogen, but now it is 4 atoms. This 2 is to be taken into account for whole of the substances taken into the box. So hydrogen atoms is 4 inside in the product side, but the number of hydrogen atoms is 2 in the reactant side. That's why we have to write here 2, so that the total number of hydrogen in reactant side is 4, as well as total number of hydrogen in product side is 4. Now we have to look in one go. Hydrogen has 4 atoms in reactant side, hydrogen has 4 atoms in product side, oxygen has 2 atoms in reactant side, and oxygen has 2 atoms in product side, means each and every element is balanced. Now second one, suppose we have been given N2 plus H2, the result is NH3, and question is same, balance this chemical equation. When nitrogen is heated with hydrogen, it gives ammonia. The chemical formula of ammonia is NH3. Now we are here to balance it. So first step is to keep the substances in the boxes like this. Now we have to count the number of atoms. Here the number of atoms of nitrogen is 2, hydrogen is 2, but in case of ammonia the number of atoms is 1 plus 3, that is 4. So this quantity has maximum number of atoms. That's why we have to start with this one. So number of nitrogen atom is 1 in the product side, but number of nitrogen atom is 2 in the reactant side, means nitrogen is not balanced. So we are not here to write 2, because nothing should be written inside the box. It will alter the chemical composition of a substance. That's why 2 should not be written here. To make the nitrogen atoms equal, we have to write 2 outside the box, so that the number of nitrogen atoms is product side and reactant sides are equal. That is, 2 atoms of nitrogen are in product side and 2 atoms of nitrogen are in reactant side, so nitrogen is balanced. Now it's time to balance hydrogen. The total number of hydrogen in product side is not 3, it is 6. This 2 is for whole of the substances inside the box. So the number of atoms for hydrogen is 6. 2 into 3 is 6. Number of hydrogen in product side is 6 and number of hydrogen atoms in reactant side is only 2. That's why we have to write here 3. So that total number of hydrogen in reactant side as well as in product side will be equal, that is equal to 6. Now we will have to look in one go. Here number of nitrogen atom is 2, in product side it is also 2. Number of hydrogen atoms in reactant side is 6 and number of hydrogen atoms in product side is 6 itself. Means all are balanced. Now suppose we are having C plus O2, the result is CO2. Means when carbon is burnt in oxygen, it gives carbon dioxide. Now we are here to balance it. So first of all we have to keep the substances in brackets or boxes like this. We have to count the number of atoms. In carbon, the number of atom is 1 in reactant side and 1 in product side. So carbon is balanced. Number of oxygen is 2 in reactant side and number of oxygen is 2 in product side. That is balanced. Means carbon is balanced, oxygen is balanced and nothing extra is there. Means this equation is already balanced equation. No need to balance it further. Thank you.